part of Expert Review Hub. So right now we are going to review HubSpot CRM. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, just a little background of HubSpot CRM. It's free, simple, and is built to be a platform that allows sales and teams to get started quickly without making much of a change in their existing workflow. Also, HubSpot CRM is a smart and easy option that carries all the necessary basic features, but without the often confusing complexity many other CRM platforms have. For example, on their free CRM tools, they have this contact management, contact website activity, companies, deals, tasks, and activities. Also, HubSpot will help you easily create beautiful contact and company profiles, as it can neatly organize every single detail from your customers. It effectively assigns and track your deals, controls the performance of your agents, and offers a single detailed dashboard where all the team members can keep track of the company's activities. If you already have a HubSpot sales, you can also use HubSpot CRM more effectively on inbound sales. So let's go down with the pros and cons of using HubSpot CRM. So number one, it's free. Yes, HubSpot is free forever. You can actually use it even if you're not a HubSpot paying customer. Second, it has a live chat tool. It's super simple to set up and manage, and you even get basic chatbot functionality to take your online visitor and customer experience to the next level. Third, it has a better insights. It tracks customer interactions automatically, providing valuable insights into customer behavior and making it easier to know when to follow up. And next is it has no customization limits. Most CRMs have annoying customization limits, but HubSpot allows you to customize everything to your brand and specific sales process. Next is it uses the same database as marketing platform. Both marketing and sales perform best when they are in alignment. It is natively connected with the HubSpot marketing tools, allowing a smooth translation of leads from marketing to sales in your funnel and far easier communication data. Also, it can be used with other CRMs like Bitrix24, Zoho, etc. It doesn't affect anything with your organization is doing in other CRM platforms such as SFDC and Microsoft Dynamics. Let's go with the cons. With the reviews, the con is it's relatively new. Since HubSpot CRM is still relatively new compared to other major CRM players, there are some feature limitations. Also, the con is it's lightweight. Although it is a great for growing business, organizations with large sales teams might find that HubSpot CRM isn't advanced enough just yet. And lastly, compared to other CRMs, HubSpot's platform is relatively inflexible. While there are certainly features you can customize around your team's processes and needs, we found that organizations with very complex sales processes aren't able to find the flexibility they're looking in the HubSpot CRM. So let's go in using HubSpot CRM on our screen, because some are asking, is it easy to use? Then let's see. So I will log in with my free account. I will sign in with Google. Okay. So in HubSpot, you can actually use your Google account, your email, your business email. So here we are in the dashboard. On the tab, you can actually see the contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, service, automation, and reports. So within this video, I will show you how to organize customer information. Let's go to the contacts. So I uploaded contacts here in HubSpot CRM. Just click on import, and any Excel file or CSV file, it can be imported. So I have here a list of contacts. To find, for example, I want to find vice presidents, just use the add filter and then click on the job title. It contains exactly, for example, let's use vice. It will search all of the contacts that has the job title of vice president. So in this option, you can actually filter all those important people that you want to contact. Okay. For example, you don't know what there are contacts that doesn't have any job title. Just click in the job title and then select is unknown and then apply filter. So I have here contacts that doesn't have any job titles. So let's go back. Also, you can search for people who has emails, contacts who has numbers. Also, on the other hand, you can actually edit. You can actually add additional information through every contact. Like for example, we have here one contact owner. So for example, I have to add his company. Example. Okay. So I will not save this here because it is only for the tutorial. But on this part, you can actually see all the activities on a single contact. Like for example, adding deals, tickets, attachments, memberships, playbooks. So as you can see, HubSpot is really flexible when it comes to managing contact information. Also, let's talk about best features of HubSpot CRM. On the other hand, what I found about this HubSpot CRM is the importing of CSV files. Like for example, I want to import companies. Start an import. The visual of HubSpot CRM is really amazing, and also it's easy to import files, companies. Okay, so you can actually drag and drop your files on the actual dashboard, and then after you upload a file, click next, and it will automatically map and then upload the contacts. So I will not do it here because I already have uploaded contacts in the CRM. So after approving, it will have a stage where it filters all of the contacts. Okay, so let's go with the extra features. For the extra features, I can say that it has this you can send personalized sequences, like queuing up a series of emails and deliver them to a prospect or schedule that you have set. You can also create and measure email templates, turn repetitive emails into templates, then track performance and share the best ones with your team. Also, you can get real-time notifications and also enrich contact records automatically. You can get insights from your sales team will actually use by automatically populating contact records. Also, you can place calls from inside the CRM, call with a click, and choose whether or not to record the conversation. a log is automatically saved on your contacts timeline. So with HubSpot CRM, you can also book more meetings, set your availability, and get a shareable link that can sync with your calendar and let leads pick a time that works for everyone. So, talking about HubSpot CRM, let's go with the pricing. Okay. Since HubSpot CRM is free, but it works with the small businesses, on the complex ones, you can actually purchase some of their packages, like for example, starter, which is $50 per month, professional, $800 per month, and for the enterprise. So a lot of it has an include bundles, like for example, on the starter, you can see all of its features, professional and then enterprise. It depends on how big is your company, how big is your business when when you're using a HubSpot CRM. So I think that's all for now. This is Bernard, and watch me again to another review video. This is Expert Review Hub. Thank you.